Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kiwi fruits, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using kiwis. So if you're looking for some different ideas to do with kiwis, hopefully this will help you out. First of all, when you're storing kiwis at room temperature, they will continue to ripen up and sweeten. So just remember that you've got to monitor them because they will ripen as they sit at room temperature. Now for a simple way to enjoy a kiwi, just cut it in half around the middle, right, like around the middle like that, and then take a spoon and scoop out the flesh. Just like that. Think of it as being in its own little cup and just scoop it out and enjoy. Why not try a Kiwi Parfait? Layer some yogurt or pudding with some chopped kiwi and some granola. If you want to, add another fruit of your choice. It could be banana, strawberries, blueberries, or even grapes if you want. Enjoy. How about a kiwi mint slushie? In a blender, add some ice, some kiwis, some frozen limeade, and a little bit of fresh mint, and some honey or sugar or a date or two if you want for some added sweetness. Blend it and you'll have a refreshing treat. Or try a kiwi smoothie by blending some yogurt or your favorite milk, banana, kiwi, and a handful of baby spinach leaves, and maybe even a couple of ice cubes if you want to chill it down some. Why not add some kiwi slices to your favorite chia pudding? How about trying some homemade kiwi juice? Blend 3 kiwis with up to 4 cups of water, so obviously the less water the stronger it's going to be and the thicker it'll be. And then add some ice in there, up to a cup of ice. And if you want it sweeter, you could throw a date in there or some honey, something like that. Blend it briefly until it's smooth and it will be good to go. Well, this is part 1. I've got more that I'm going to break up into a second video, so stay tuned for part 2. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.